Still working on that thing?
Big deadline tomorrow.
You get some of this down here, you'll have finished in no time. Michael.
Have I got news for you, sunshine? Jim, Catherine?
Michael, you're just in time for breakfast. Grab yourself a coffee.
Oh, don't mind if I do.
Well, what's going on?
Pre-season could have been better, eh? Well, it seems that some people think that a change of scene could bring out the best in you.
So... what?
Well, I've been having some very interesting chinwags with reps from some of Europe's top clubs. Bayern, PSG, Atletico. Oh, and I just got off the blow with a gent representing, wait for it, none other than... Los Blancos.
Shut up. Real Madrid?
The very same. Seems like you made quite the impression in the US of A. Well, it's early days, but they'd like to talk about getting you on board before the transfer window shuts. This is as big as it gets, Alex. Bigger stars, bigger games, bigger contracts.
You're not having me on. Like, you know these were my childhood idols growing up. Raul, Roberto Carlos, Zidane, come on.
Looks nailed from what the agent was telling me.
It's an honor, sure. But you're only 18, Alex. You know, it's a dream move, I understand that. But the pressure, you think about it, you're gonna be down there on your own. And with their squad, you probably won't even be a starter. There's gonna be lots of other chances in your career. Right now, this is a risky move. And your fans, they're not gonna forget. Not for something like this.
I know, Grandad. But this could be my one shot. Look what happened to Dad.
Oi. Do not think like that. You are not Harold.
Look, I know it's a lot to take in, but we got to move fast, otherwise they might consider moving elsewhere.
Well, if it's got Michael's approval and it's what you really want, then...
What does your heart tell you?
It's been my dream since I was a child, Mum. How can I say no?
Okay, deal's gonna take a few days to iron out, but in the meantime, I need you to find an extra gear for the first few games of the season, yeah? Could whack a naught on the transfer fee.
Real Madrid!
You want to grab yourself a bib, lad?
I'm on a bench.
Gaffer doesn't think you've got your head in the game with all this transfer business going on. Frankly, I'm inclined to agree.
Boss, my head's fine, trust me.
Personally, I hope you stay, lad. All right, Hunter, it's time. Here's your chance to win them back, lad.
I'm not leaving like this.
That's the spirit, lad.
The fans who used to cheer him are now booing him. Him being Alex Hunter, who's being sent on here. And it's not a great time to come on because his team are struggling in the game on the scoreline. They're already down to 10 men. And the crowd are now going to have their say about Alex Hunter and the Real Madrid rumours.
Yeah, I mean, it was always going to happen, wasn't it? Part and parcel of the modern game. Alex Hunter would have expected it, especially with his team trailing to this extent.
They're going to find it hard to keep him in these circumstances, aren't they? He's not being treated particularly well. Maybe the fans feel he's not treating the club particularly well.
Yeah,
It's messy, Alan, isn't it?
It is messy. He was a fan's favourite here, and now to hear the...
Could score! Good work by the goalkeeper. Attacking well here. And this is Romelu Lukaku's game at his best. He's got his shot off now. And that's deflected behind. It will be a corner. And they get it away. Eden Hazard. I wonder what's gone wrong for the losing team today, because you wouldn't have thought in a game like this, a pretty even game on paper anyway, that they would have collapsed.
No, it's been a bit of a surprise, and you've got to look at the defenders and the mistakes they've made in vital areas of the pitch. That looks like costing them.
Well, this is how... On his own, Eden Hazard. And shoots! Well, it's one step in the right direction with this goal. And they have reduced the lead. He followed his instincts, he followed the play in, and then he followed watching the ball into the net.
Yeah, a lesson for any schoolboy, just to make sure you follow shots in, that you're in that danger area.
3-1 the scoreline as we restart the game. Well, it's hard to watch Alex Hunter without thinking about this potential move to Real Madrid and the motives behind it, whether it's the right time for him, whether it will make him or break him.
Well, it's a big moment in his life, isn't it? And you'd hope he's getting good advice from his agent, and particularly his...
Keeper goes with a fist here. Willian. Fabregas. Hunter. And now the shot! The defenders managed to get in the way there. Pogba. Here's Martial. Cahill. In towards Hazard. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. He's coming forward with some danger. Well, then it goes. It's not really away. Poor clearance. Willian! Wonderful finish.
Well, it's point-blank range. Well, you've got to be there to score. You've got to be there to miss it as well, but he didn't.
Well, for a fraction of a second, Alan, I thought he was going to keep it out. He did get a touch on the ball, the goalkeeper, but in it went.
Yeah, he's annoyed with himself there. He's his own harshest critic and feels he should have done better.
Plenty of goals here today, 3-2.
For Chelsea, number 22.
Pogba. That's United's free kick. Shots off! And a Herrera. But what a good try, off the outside of the post.
Certainly caught it, and I don't think the keeper was getting across to that.
Here's Conte. Fabregas guiding it through the defenders. Eden Hazard, very nearly a goal. It's hit the bar and it's back in play. And that's headed away for a throw. Victor Moses. Willian. Hunter. It's a shot now. And he scores. Well, how they found this extra gear, only they know. They've got themselves level. What a fighting performance. Well, he's always been a defender with an eye for goal, Alan. He's got another one.
Yeah, he's one of those defenders that when he goes forward, you always fancy him to get on the end of something. He's done brilliantly there.
Well, this is what we love about football, a goal fest. And we're getting it in this game in abundance. Made the challenge well. David Luiz. Marcos Alonso. Now it goes into the wider areas where they've got a winger waiting. Can really get at the opposition here. Looking for Azar. Well, they would have gone behind here, but for this excellent goalkeeper.
Yeah, it could have got a lot worse there, had he not been for him.
Put the corner in the middle. Miscued, really, with the header.
Yeah, not known for his heading, and you can see why there with that effort.
And Herrera. Romelu Lukaku. Valencia. Looked very good indeed, but the move was broken down. Threading it through. Nemanja Matic. And Herrera. Into the attacking third. Gonna try one now. Oh, goalkeeper, he cannot believe his luck, because that was the moment to win the match. And in the end, it's guided through. One last attack for Chelsea. Looking for a late one. Willian! What a goal, and what a time to get it! This is a competition famed for its late goals, and we may well have witnessed a really important one here. They are in front, and very little time to go. It's a great moment for the goal scorer and for his team. It surely won the game in the dying moments.
It must have, and it was a really good take as well. Didn't have much time in the box there.
We had seemed to be stuck in a bit of a stalemate, in truth, but this very, very late goal has changed that.
Well, they threw men forward and they've got the reward.
Eden Hazard. Gone a little early there, I think. Flags up.
Yeah, a bit over-eager to get on the end of it.
Good defending. N'Golo Kanté. Hunter. Now the shot! He's blocked the shot well. Good strong tackle. He's had a go here. Oh, no, and that is the end. It's all over. Alan, I guess you can tell what we've been through by the sound of my voice, really. Almost hoarse here after so many goals.
We look at something better than seeing that ball in the back of the net. We've seen plenty of that today.
And with just 15 hours to go until the transfer window slams shut, we are still awaiting word on whether Alex Hunter's sensational move...
All right, coming. There he is, Michael Taylor, super agent. Where do I sign?
You gotta come with me now.
Why, what? Wait!
Now! Come on, move it! I knew I should have taken the back room.
All right, Michael. It's starting to freak me out. What is going on?
We've been had. The agent, the one I've been dealing with, he's a complete fraud. Move it!
Wait. You saying that Real never wanted me?
Guy was one of those parasite middlemen, complete chancers.
No.
You know, the kind that manufactures deals between players and clubs. No, Real didn't know anything about it.
Michael!
Come on!
Do you want to tell me where we're going now?
Trying to save your career.
Are you sure this is what
risky.
you want?
Not about a tour of the US.
What does your heart tell you?